starting to form. Keep going.
I can't wait.
Look at that, Chloe. We're getting there. Good. So you have to work it for quite a while to get it to form into slime. So pretty.
It feels amazing.
That would be like really intense eyeshadow. Look at it. It's so pretty.
Looks like Hello Kitty slime.
Slime hack. Hey, maybe we should use that as a hashtag.
Oh, one.
We should.
Sit on it.
Don't you sit your butt on that. It'll wreck your clothes. Okay, so I think you should blow a bubble. What is happening here? Oh, Lord of the living. Sounded like a horse. You try it again.
Let's remake this. Let's remake this. Oh, why did liquid eraser?
It's so pretty. So cool.
Wait, lift it up again.
Okay.
Lift it
Does
up.
it smell funky? Yeah, it does. I've never smelled it smell funky like that. Oh, isn't that pretty?